As a new business owner, establishing your brand and reaching your target audience can be challenging. However, digital marketing is the solution you've been looking for. With the right strategies and tactics, you can expand your reach beyond your local community and connect with potential customers from anywhere in the world. Digital marketing is a broad term encompassing all marketing efforts using electronic devices and the internet. It includes social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO for short, pay-per-click advertising, PPC for short, content marketing, and more. The primary goal of digital marketing is to reach customers where they are spending most of their time. Online. One of the most significant advantages of digital marketing is the ability to build strong and lasting relationships with your customers. By using digital channels, you can create personalized experiences for your customers, which will help you stand out from your competitors. Additionally, digital marketing provides you valuable data to help you better understand your audience. You can use this data to create targeted campaigns and resonate with your customers, driving engagement and conversions. Another significant benefit of digital marketing is its flexibility and agility. With digital marketing, you can quickly respond to changing conditions and adapt your strategies accordingly. This flexibility is especially crucial for small businesses that must stay ahead of the curve and compete with more prominent brands. So how can you get started with digital marketing? The first step is to identify your goals and target audience. What are you trying to achieve? Who is your ideal customer? Once you clearly understand your goals and target audience, you can develop a strategy and tactics that will help you achieve them. Let's take a closer look at some of the most effective digital marketing strategies and tactics. Number 1. Social media marketing. In the modern world, social media marketing has become an indispensable aspect of any business's marketing plan. It has been proven to be a highly effective way to connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, and generate leads. With many social media platforms available, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, each offering unique features, it's crucial to understand how you can leverage them to your advantage. To make the most of social media marketing, it's essential to have a well-defined strategy that outlines your goals, target audience, content strategy, and success metrics. A well-crafted strategy will help you stay focused, measure your progress, and adjust your approach. Moreover, it's critical to consider the unique features and audience of each platform you intend to use. For example, LinkedIn is more suitable for B2B marketing, while Instagram is ideal for visual content. Once you have a strategy in place, it's time to create content that resonates with your target audience. Your content can take various forms, such as blog posts, videos, images, or social media posts, but it must be high quality, relevant, and engaging. Your content should be tailored to the specific platform you're using, taking into account the features and preferences of your audience. Engaging with your audience is vital to building a solid social media presence. This involves monitoring your social media platforms for messages, comments, and interactions with your brand. It's crucial to respond promptly to any queries or concerns your audience raises, showing that you value your customers and are committed to providing them with the best possible experience. By engaging with your audience, you can foster long-term relationships, build trust, and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Number 2, email marketing. Email marketing is a crucial component of digital marketing that entails sending promotional messages to customers via email. Its popularity has grown over time due to its ability to nurture leads, build customer relationships, and ultimately drive conversions. However, achieving email marketing success requires providing subscribers value by tailoring the messages to their interests and needs. For example, if you operate an online beauty product store, for example, your email content should focus on providing skincare tips, makeup tutorials, and the latest product launches. This personalized approach ensures that your content resonates with your subscribers and encourages them to take action. To begin with email marketing, the first step is establishing an email list by collecting email addresses from your target audience. One effective way to achieve this is by offering a lead magnet or opt-in incentive on your website. A lead magnet is a valuable resource you provide to your audience in exchange for their email address. Examples of lead magnets include ebooks, checklists, webinars, and other relevant resources that your audience may find helpful.